Hey guys, one of the most requested things I get on my channel is to show more like grocery hauls, weekly menu planning, what I eat, things like that. So I just got in from the grocery store and I also just came home to a HelloFresh box. Dan and I always meal plan on Sundays. We sit down, we go over what we want to eat for the week. It just helps making a grocery list that much easier. And so I thought I would just share with you before I put everything away what I got. Start with HelloFresh. It's been a while that I've cooked with HelloFresh, so I am so excited. This is one of the first meal subscriptions I ever started with, and I am never ever disappointed with their recipes. So what I love about HelloFresh too is you can customize your meals. So for me, I love vegetarian meals, and a lot of times I'll make the meals for lunch, but then Dan and the kids actually really like meat, so you can customize and do a little bit of both. So we did 3 meals this week. The one that I chose for a lunch this week for myself is the zucchini and tomato flatbreads. These look so good. It's spread over ricotta cheese, so that'll be an amazing healthy lunch. And then we chose the Juicy Lucy burger with tomato, onion jam, and sweet potato wedges. We make these sweet potato wedges like once a week. The kids love these, and everybody loves burgers, and the weather's getting warmer, so we're gonna make these on the grill. This will be really good. And then chicken pineapple quesadillas. I think the kids will really love this one too. This looks like it'll be really easy. There's like a fresh salsa that goes with it. The recipes are in full color, like step by step, and then the ingredients are bolded, so it makes it really easy to follow. All of these cook like in a half an hour, and I love that they're all clean. All of the ingredients are clean. Everything comes in these brown paper bags, and they're labeled, which I love because you can just store them directly in your fridge and pull out the ones that you want when you're ready to cook. And anytime there is meat, that is always kind of housed at the bottom of the box underneath with all of the freezer packs. So the chicken and ground beef is under there. So I'm gonna pop these things in the fridge and then I'll show you what I got at the store. We always meal plan 5 meals for the week. We usually just kind of wing it, eat out, we eat with our families on the weekends. So normally we just make one trip to the grocery store Sunday or Monday morning, stock up on everything for the week. So the other meals that we're making this week is salmon. This is a staple in our weekly menu. We make salmon once a week. It is loved by everyone in the house, including the little kids. And I've shared that recipe before of how Dan prepares it, but essentially we just grill it on top of the stove, and I usually just add like avocado and lime, like an avocado lime salsa. Dan makes this amazing like ginger sauce that the kids love. So the only thing I don't have here is the salmon. Dan usually picks it up at a different store on his way home from work the day that we're gonna have it. So he's gonna get that today on his way home from work. So that's the only thing I don't have here. And then the other meal that we're gonna have is a pasta dish. I decided to just do something really easy and fresh. I just have pasta. I'm gonna get a fresh pesto at the same store today where Dan goes for the salmon. They have like a Mediterranean bar with the best pesto. So I'm gonna do a fresh pesto with tomatoes and mozzarella. Really easy meal. Again, one that the kids will really love. So let me show you everything else we got. So we got some whole milk, orange juice, and then a whole bunch of produce. I know these probably aren't good yet, but I got nectarines because they were there and they looked really good. I can't wait for nectarine and peach season. I got zucchini and yellow and orange bell peppers to do like veggie skewers. What, baby? Hold on. You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi. You riding on your truck? Yeah. This is another meal. We get chicken too. We also have mushrooms already in the fridge and onion. These are limes. We usually use these, like I said, for the salmon. Addie just likes fresh lime squeezed on her salmon and she eats it just like that. Celery is a staple we keep in the drawer in the fridge we were out of. I use this a lot for soups and stuff. These are my pregnancy obsession. These Campari tomatoes. We have these like every night with dinner. I just cut them up and I quarter them. I throw some salt and olive oil on them, or just sometimes for like as a snack throughout the day or to go with lunch. I cannot get enough tomatoes. And then I got these little cherry tomatoes to use with the little mozzarella pearls and the pesto for the pasta dish. This is the ham that we give Louie for lunch. Chicken, like I said. String cheese, snack, honey crisp apples. There's a little piece of ginger in here. You can't see it, but Dan will use this for the salmon. These oranges, we go through a bag of these a week between myself and the kids. They love these. Bag of avocados, always in our grocery haul. Strawberries and bananas and spinach. Again, this is always something we keep in the fridge. Really easy to saute or use as a salad. This is Dan's yogurt that he puts in his smoothie every morning. Go-gurt for the kids' lunches. Eggs. This is the pasta we're gonna use. The rigatoni. To get some sandwich bags. I got some cereals. This is one of my favorite snacks when we're in front of the TV. I always get asked about what kind of snacks I like. Low in sugar, and they're just a good crunch. Raisin Nut Bran, and then the kids' favorite is Cocoa Puffs. Got these for Bentley. These little bunny grams. Bagels for myself and Louis. We usually give him one in his lunch with cream cheese. Cookies for the kids. This is always in our grocery haul. Kids love this for dinner. I mean, hello, for breakfast. And also Addie loves this in her lunch. Bread, almond butter and peanut butter. And then this is the favorite mac and cheese that everybody loves. So all of this is what we will be working with this week. If you guys don't meal plan for the week, I can't suggest it enough. I think for one, it saves you money in the long run because you're not just at the grocery store buying random things but then aren't able to like put them together in a meal. And it also prevents you from having to go to the grocery store multiple times a week or like every day. I know if you don't have kids, it's fine, but I know if you have kids, the last thing you want to be doing is like taking them to the grocery store all the time. So for us, meal planning is just essential. We spend about the same amount every week. I'd say between like $130 and $150 for the week. And we also do like a Sam's Club run, I'd say every other week, every 2 weeks. And we usually get peanut butter crackers for the kids, our bottled water, toilet paper, paper towels, those kinds of things. Any bulk snacks for the kids, we'll do at Sam's Club. But we don't need to go there this week because we went last week. So yeah, that's it. I'm excited about these HelloFresh meals. Make sure you check the description box because HelloFresh is offering you guys $80 off your first month, which is amazing. I will have a link and the promo code in the description box. I have salmon tonight, and then I think we'll do the burgers tomorrow. So I am excited. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it helps a little bit to give you some ideas, meal ideas. And the other really cool thing about HelloFresh is they make their recipes like public on their website. You don't have to be subscribed to see their recipes. So you can always go there too, just for like ideas and inspiration before you meal plan. Our weekly meal plan kind of looks the same every week with the exception of like 1 or 2 meals we change them up. But if I ever need like ideas of what to make, I usually go to HelloFresh's website because they always have like the best recipes and they're easy and the ingredients are clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.